Hello YouTube family! Welcome on my channel about healthy life hacks. Have you ever come across castor oil? Dive into the world of castor oil and discover its incredible benefits. In this video, we unveil the secrets behind this natural elixir, renowned for its versatility and countless positive effects on skin, hair, and overall well-being. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, has been staple in the beauty and wellness regimens for centuries. Here's a glimpse into the general information about this versatile oil. Rich in triglycerides, primarily linoleic acid, castor oil boasts unique properties. It also contains fatty acids such as oleic acid, linoleic acid, and small amount of stearic acid. Renowned for its versatility, castor oil is a key ingredient in various beauty products. It is celebrated for its moisturizing, nourishing, and soothing properties, making it a popular choice of skincare and hair care. Castor oil is known to promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp and hair follicles. It's often used to address issues like dry scalp, dandruff, and split ends. The oil's emollient nature makes it effective for moisturizing the skin. It is often used to alleviate dryness, reduce the appearance of scars, and thus skin irritation. Internally, castor oil has been historically used as a natural laxative. It stimulates bowel movements and sometimes recommended for occasional constipation. In next video, you will see some useful recipes with castor oil for your beauty. Hair growth serum. Massage a small amount of castor oil into your scalp to stimulate hair follicles, promoting your hair growth. Leave it for a few hours for overnight before washing. Deep conditioning mask. Mix castor oil with other oils like coconut or olive oil and apply it as a deep conditioning mask to nourishing and hydrate your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing. Moisturizing skin treatment. Use castor oil as a natural moisturizer by applying it directly to your skin. Its rich emollient properties can help soften and hydrate dry areas. Eyelash and eyebrow enhancer. Apply a small quantity of castor oil to your lashes and eyebrows using a clean mascara wand for natural and nourished growth.